Hello, I'm Rachel from Douentza Garden in Ireland, and today I want to share with you how to grow tiger lilies from bulbils because a garden just couldn't have enough tiger lilies. The tiger lily is a beauty for late colour in the garden with its orange blooms and elegant recurved petals. While still in flower, the tiger lily produces small bulbils on its stems from late summer to autumn. They're tiny embryo bulbs and will grow into mature bulbs if collected and sown. Harvest your bulbs when they're mature, usually around September. They'll come away easily when mature, and you may see tiny roots at their base. As tiger lilies prefer acidic soil, use an ericaceous compost mixed with horticultural sand and fill your trays. Place your tray in water until they're wet through, and then drain. Sow your bulbils like seed in the tray, about 1 inch apart or in separate cells as I'm doing here. You can alternatively use pots. If your bulbil has roots, then place the roots facing down into the compost. But if it's altogether unclear as to which way is the right way up, here's a little tip for you. With all bulbs, it's never wrong to lie them on their sides. If you lie them on their sides, they'll sort themselves out eventually. Cover with a layer of vermiculite. Press your bulbils down slightly to make sure that they're in intimate contact with the mix. And cover the tray. Now place your tray or pot in a cold frame or greenhouse out of direct sun and keep just moist. Bulbils will germinate within a couple of weeks. Fertilise established seedlings with a low nitrogen fertiliser to help bulk them up. Once the roots are poking out from the bottom of the tray or pot, carefully transplant each seedling into its own individual pot to grow on. Bulbils will take 2 to 3 years to flower from sowing, so have patience and happy growing!